नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपको पता चल ही गया होगा शीर्षक देख के कि ये एक हिंदी की प्रतियोगिता होने वाली है जिसमें हम देखने वाले कि कौन हिंदी ज्यादा उसे क्या कहते हैं। Got it, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we are up with another video in which we'll be taking up the Hindi challenge and we'll be seeing who remembers it more. For this challenge, I have a very special friend of mine without whom the college would have been a black and white series. She's also known as the High Gurmi of our group, so without wasting much time, let's get her on call. Okay, so we're back to our video and we have a very special friend of ours who is also known as the High Gurmi, as I told you already earlier. So let's get her on call.
Hi.
Hi Gurmi.
Hi, Gurmi. Thank you.
How are you?
I am very good.
एक सेकंड आप कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Okay, so we are in the video mode. We are already in a challenge mode, and to help us, so as we both are competing, to help us, we have Ronita, who is also the winner of the last round. So let's get her on call as well. Yes, Dipshika, how's been lockdown?
Hi guys.
Bored at home as.
She is with us. So hi.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Are you guys excited?
Nahi.
I'm nervous. Very, very, very nervous.
Especially after losing the last time, I'm not at all excited.
I think so. I'll
Okay,
be losing
fine.
for the.
Dipshika, are you excited?
Very nervous.
Nothing to be nervous. Okay, before I start, for all the viewers, Amar Bengali chilo for second language. So my Hindi is not at all good. This is all Google Translate and a lot of websites. Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes.
So there are 2 rounds. For the first round, I will be asking each of you questions alternatively, 5 questions each.
Okay.
You have to give me the English word for the Hindi word that I tell you guys.
Okay.
Simple.
Yes.
Now that since you all are getting 5 words, I will allow you to ask me hints for 2 of the 5 words. Okay? If you guys need it, if you guys are very good at Hindi, then you won't need it. Okay? So because it's Dipshika's first time and Vinita is, an expert at Hindi, let's start with Vinita. Okay?
Guys, wish me luck.
First word, Vinita.
Guys,
Are you
wish
ready?
me luck.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Dipshika, wish me luck.
Best of.
Thank you.
Okay. So, your first word is
Okay.
very easy. Okay?
Wait. I need to tell the English word of it or Hindi word of it?
You need to tell me the English word of what I'm saying. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Right.
Okay. Abhiruchi.
Repeat.
Abhiruchi.
Oh God, where did you get this word?
Abhiruchi.
Abhiruchi.
Break the word.
Abhi means
Abhiruchi.
now. Abhi means now and Ruchi means interest. So, is it interest? No. I cancel
Very close. You are very close.
I'm going to fail at this again. No.
Are you going to take the hint for this word or not? You're very close, but just think of synonyms for for interest.
Interest.
Synonyms for interest.
Curious.
Okay, fine. I'm very nice. I'll give you a hint. Okay.
Hint.
Dancing is your dash.
Passion. Hobby.
Something else.
Passion, hobby.
Yes.
Hobby.
You're saying the word hobby. Yes, hobby. Answer is hobby. Okay, Abhiruchi means hobby.
Yes, I got 1 point.
Okay, Dipshika,
Yes.
are you ready? Dipshika.
I have to be.
Okay, your word is Chal Durbhash Yantra.
I know this. I know this. Can I answer, please?
Chal Durbhash Yantra.
I think so.
Chal.
Um, mobile phone.
Yes,
Is it
that's
right?
the correct answer.
Great.
Okay,
Great.
1-1. It's a okay. If it's a tie, if we end up with a tie, I have a tiebreaker. Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys excited for the second word?
Yes.
Okay. Second
I'm
word.
ready. I'm
Vinita.
ready.
Vinita, easy. Very easy. Very easy. Dipshika is going to kill me for the next word, but this is very
Okay.
easy.
Okay.
Dur Sanchar. Dur
Telecommunication.
Sanchar.
Telecommunication.
Yes.
Vinita, you
Vinita,
can't get
one Dipshika.
What?
Okay.
Dipshika কি বলছিস শোনা
Okay,
যাচ্ছে
guys,
না
no fighting.
Vinita, you can't win. I'm supposed to win. This is my first time. Doodh bhat.
Hey, it's okay.
Okay.
Tell me, guys.
Okay, Dipshika, second word.
Okay.
Very easy again. I'm giving you the easy one. I'm not giving you the difficult one. Okay. Bahu Prachalit. Bahu Prachalit.
Can I answer this, please?
Famous. Very easy.
Famous.
Famous.
Yes, correct.
Apparently,
Yes.
we both have done our homeworks.
Yes. See, I was such a nice teacher. I'm
Yeah.
like Loreto College ka teachers. I already
Yeah.
give you all like hints
Yeah.
and like important questions.
Thank you, Ronita.
Okay, 2-2.
Okay.
Come on, now the difficult ones, okay? Vinita. Okay, third word. Vinita.
Okay.
Nisargik. Nisargik. Nisargik.
Nisargik. Can I get a hint for this?
Nisargik. Environmental science.
Environmental science.
Yeah, something we study in environmental science.
I have no clue about this.
If you pass, I'll pass it on to Dipshika if you pass. Okay, then she can get an extra point.
By looking at her, I feel she knows this. So I'm going to try.
Nisargik.
Nisargik.
What? Try.
Nisargik. Nisari. Land? No.
Okay, I'll give you another hint. Okay, I'll give you. No, I'll give you another hint. The word also starts with N.
The word starts with N.
N.
N, and we study it in environment. Natural gas? I pass it.
Dipshika, do you want to guess?
Nature.
Is it
Nature.
natural? Nature. Nisargik is nature. Yes.
Oh no.
So I get a
So Dipshika gets 1 point.
Oh no. It is not fair.
She's so going to win this.
You're asking me the difficult ones which were not there in that video. Come on.
Okay. Dipshika also is going to get a very, very difficult one now. Dipshika, are you ready?
I have to be.
Vibheshika.
What?
What?
Vibhishika, whatever. Vibhishika.
Can I get a hint?
Okay, wait. The hint is coming to mind is going to make it very easy. Okay. It has to do with nature. Chalo, I'll give you guys same kind of hint. Vibhishika.
Is it disaster?
Dude, how did you know this? Yes. Disaster or catastrophe?
Conspiracy.
No, because it's about nature. It's about
Conspiracy.
natural, going natural.
How? What's your point? Wait, you were
She's 4.
3, 4. You're 4. Vinita's 2.
2. Shit.
Okay, Vinita, come on. You can still make a comeback. Okay, this is easy. This is easy.
Okay.
I think this was also there in where we took help from. Okay.
Okay.
Lopat Gamini.
Train.
Lopat Gamini.
Train.
Train. Yes. Okay. Correct.
We have done it.
Vinita
But it's all
3. Dipshika 4.
So, I mean, yeah. Okay. Fine.
Also rail gadi. Correct. Train or rail gadi.
Yeah.
Dipshika is like rail gadi. Okay.
Rail
Very
gadi,
shook
rail.
Hindi. Okay. 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 4th word. Dipshika, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's Prithak. Prithak.
Free talk.
Prithak.
Give me a hint.
Okay. The only thing it's coming to mind is the song Main Anari Tu Khiladi.
What kind of hint is this?
Think of the lyrics. The starting of the song.
I
I'm
know
actually
it.
dancing to this song. I'm actually dancing to this song.
Sorry?
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी मैं अनाड़ी तू
Okay, listen.
But the clue is there in the song.
Dipshika, pass.
I'll
What
give
is
you
the
5
word?
seconds, then I'll pass.
What is the word?
Free
Yeah.
talk. Free talk.
What is the
Prithak.
word?
Prithak.
Is it footpath?
Prithak.
Footpath? Road? Road?
Pass to Vinita.
Is it separate?
Yes, it's separate. हम दोनों है अलग अलग,
अलग-अलग,
हम दोनों
दोनों
है
है
जुदा जुदा.
If you know that, I will start dancing.
Okay. Okay, 5th and last question for Vinita.
Okay.
Okay. It's easy. I hope you get this. Okay. Timir.
Timir. Okay.
Timir. Yeah, Timir.
I know this. Wait. Timir Roshni. Timir.
You're close. Come on. It's actually a hint. You gave yourself the hint.
Is it an animal like Timir?
No. Timir
No.
March is whale in Bengali. No.
Timir.
No. Timir.
Timir Roshni. Timir Roshni. I'm close by, right? Does Timir mean dark or something related to blackness or something like that?
Yes. Blackness or darkness. Anything. Timir means blackness or darkness.
Yo,
What's the score?
What is your point count now?
5.
What's the point
4.
count? You're 5 and she's 4, right?
Nah.
No.
No, I'm 5. She's 4. She
You also guessed one.
Yeah,
Yeah, 5 and 4, right?
4. Yeah.
Dipshika, come on, you can get this. Last one.
K4.
Now,
Tui.
see, I'm a nice person. You're 4. Your last question is left. Your last question is left. You get this, you'll be a tie. Okay. Okay. Dipshika, now I have 2 easy words. I don't know which one to give you now. I'll give you the
Enough.
most easy word, okay? Because
Not fair.
I'm a nice friend.
Not fair.
Okay, fine. Okay, Dipshika, you have to give me the English word for andaz.
Please don't guess it. Please.
That is
Andaz.
very. The way you do things.
One word.
One word.
Okay, not a
One
group
word.
of words. Andaz.
Hint.
Andaz is to hint চাইছিস?
আরে ভাই আমার মাথায় চলে গেল বটটা।
Pass করে দে। Pass.
না
Okay, wait, hint, wait. Andaz is hint. It's the way we carry ourselves.
fashion
Come on, Dipshika. You're close
Fashion
by.
is what?
You're close by.
I know this word, it's not getting in my head right now.
You need to
Come
give a
on, yeah,
time
come
limit, yeah.
on.
1, 4, 3,
To carry yourself, that's personality,
It's with S.
personality.
No. Okay, kind of.
1.
S. That's with S. She got it.
Listen,
You got it.
Ronita.
Time.
Listen, you were stuck at 2. Okay, you did not do 1 and 0 for a long time.
Lord,
It's the first time, yeah. She's like unwell and all doing this.
No reasons, but you are preferring her than me.
No. Okay, fine.
easy word to her.
Sorry. Now it's time for round 2. We already have a tie between Dipshika and Vinita. Let's see who wins. Round 2 has 5 questions. I will ask the question. Whoever knows the answer, raise your hand. I will ask you. If you guess it wrong, I'll ask the other person. And that's how the round will be played. Question 1. The first is going to be a Hindi proverb. You have to, I'll say it in English. You have to give me the Hindi proverb. Okay?
Okay.
Easy to understand. The first question is, Abdullah is going crazy in someone else's wedding. Dipshika.
बेगाना की शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना. हाय
1 point, Dipshika. Dipshika 6, Vinita 5. Next question. Give me the Hindi for the English word loyalty.
To be loyal to someone.
Loyalty. Dipshika.
वफादार.
7-5. Vinita, you're losing. Come on.
What was the
You do
word?
this.
What was the word?
Wafadari. Okay, next. Give me the Hindi for the word essential. Vinita.
Zarurat.
Zarurat. Yes, okay. Essential. 7-6. 2 more questions to go. Vinita, come on, and Dipshika, come on. Okay. Next. Give me the Hindi for computer. Vinita.
Sanganak or Sanganak?
7-7. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Oh my God, now I'm
Yes.
also nervous.
Yes.
Last question. Whoever gets this will be the unprecedented winner of the Hindi challenge. Okay. She's already raising.
Not done. Cheating.
Okay. Give me, guys. This is also, I'll give you the English words. You have to tell me the Hindi proverb. Okay, the last one.
Oh God.
Listen to it very carefully. Fallen from sky, stuck in a date. Vinita.
आसमान से टपके खजूर पर अटके.
I'm sorry, I really manipulated this to give you easy questions, Dipshika. I can't help it now.
I am refraining myself from
I've asked
abusing you.
you the easiest question. Oh, come on now. Just
I'd like to thank my YouTube, my Google, and my Hindi teacher for giving me the confidence in me to know the Hindis. And I'm very proud of myself. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dipshika, do you have any? Dipshika, do you have any
gonna
words
win.
for us?
Next time I'm gonna win.
Of course,
Okay.
you're gonna win.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes, exactly. And next time, even I'm gonna play and I will beat all of you people.
Oh no, that's not happening.
That. We'll see that.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Thank you for watching.
So
If I made any Hindi में error, मुझे माफ करना. Thank you.
okay, guys. So here's the end of our video. And no, not like this. Let's come back into our characters and say thank you, guys. धन्यवाद, guys. धन्यवाद, मेरे बंधुओं. ये video. What's the Hindi of video?
I didn't Google that. Sorry, I don't know.
ये वीडियो देखने के लिए अगर आपको पसंद आए तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और ये वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कीजिए। और अगर आपके पास कोई एक्स्ट्रा टिप्पणी या कमेंट्स हुए तो प्लीज नीचे के टिप्पणी बॉक्स में जरूर जाके दीजिएगा। On that note, signing off.
Bye.
Bye guys, I love you.
Safe. Bye bye.
Stay home, stay safe. Yes, bye.